Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Bandlab Mix Editor for beginners. The mix editor in Bandlab is where your raw recordings turn into polished track. Think of it as a digital control room. This is where you arrange clips, adjust volume, add effects, and shape the overall sound of your music. So first you need to open to your Bandlab app on a device, and over here you need to tap on the bottom plus icon to create a new project. So over here you can choose any of the track type, voice, loops, instrument. This automatically opens the mix editor as I'm going to select this voice audio here. Over here on the center, this is the center area where your audio clips appear. You can tap on the bottom, there's a recording icon in order to record, and you can tap back to pause it as well. If you want to delete, you can delete here as well, and at the top you can find this turn up icon. Over here, you can also add lyrics or notes over here as well. And in the bottom left here, you can also increase or decrease the sound of the recording. After all you're done, you can either save or publish if you want to. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down. We will reach out to you very soon.